Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Very slow movement today. Obviously, CPI data came in pretty neutral. Yeah, inflation a little higher than the market forecasted, than the market expected. It didn't really do much to Bitcoin. Rather, we have a slightly green day. Prices are generally moving higher. So far, I'm pretty neutral about if the B wave already bottomed or not. I would prefer a clearer three-wave move, but it's got the right length now. I mean, time-wise, this was certainly enough for the B wave here to the downside. It also nearly touched the 50% retracement level, as I explained to you in the last video already. And as highlighted yesterday, you know, these B waves, they can be short, and I usually prefer to see them get to the 50% FIB level, but sometimes they don't. That's what a B wave does. Sometimes a bit shorter, sometimes a little longer. But yeah, it's certainly not an impulse that's developing to the upside. So if it bottomed here, the B wave, then this would have to be some kind of a diagonal in a C wave. However, I'm at the moment fairly neutral about it. I think it would be ideal to get one more low here in the support area in this Y wave of B before the, let's call it, a rally starts in the C wave, but I cannot rule out that it already bottomed because we already have a three-wave move here to the downside. Yeah, it was just a little, if it had it been a little longer, yeah, I'd be more confident that it has bottomed. So from an analysis point of view, we have to be rather neutral about it. Overall, the idea is anyway that we go higher, yeah, into this area above the A wave. That's the base case. Getting above the A wave because we had a 5-wave move up here, a 3-wave pullback. The only question is, okay, do we touch the support area again or not? If not, then we go up more directly. And if we get there, the expectations would be ideally for it to get higher afterwards. So expectations due to this 5-wave move have been on higher, but there are also expectations that a rejection should then happen in this region after the C wave happened. And this could set up the price for a more dramatic drop in a third wave in the coming days and maybe next week or so. I mean, it's already Thursday. We'll see. It's going to be interesting because this is now where Bitcoin is going to get into a decision area. Yeah, key decision point here. Let's explain that. So first of all, at the moment, I cannot rule out that we get another Y wave down in wave B, okay? But a break above the X wave resistance, which is here the 78.6 retracement, at 26,375 would make me lean towards, yeah, we're going higher more directly. And it would then be confirmed by a break above the A wave high, which happened yesterday. No, on Tuesday it happened, okay? So ultimately, if we go higher from here, a key target that I'm watching is the 61.8 retracement level at 26,930. And the 78.6 retracement level at 27,480. And then also the 1-to-1 ratio is a level to watch, which is at 27,410. Okay, so these are the key levels to watch, but there's a bit of an overlap up there. So I wouldn't be surprised if it maxes it out. You can see there is also a Fibonacci overlap here at the small X wave resistance. Yeah. Anyway, what will be important then is to see that the price gets rejected here. If price breaks above resistance and it also forms 5 waves to the upside, only then I can really say that with a higher likelihood, the price has put a lasting low in place already here and the door towards the 40K area opens. But at the moment, we haven't got those 5 waves and we certainly don't want to call a bottom in place too early. We have to remain cautious here, because the trend is still down. And we had a potential 5-wave move to the downside here. So as long as it's 3 waves up, we haven't got a trend shift. But if we get 5 waves up above resistance, we might get a trend shift. That's what I'm watching for. But at the moment, until I see it, I remain focused on the downside, but short term higher in the C wave. And regardless if the B wave already bottomed, B wave already bottomed, or if it's gonna bottom a little later, the C wave is currently still the expectation. Hope that makes sense. Let me ask. Let me know if there are any questions. Don't think there is much more to add. The resistance levels are clear. Nothing broke. Nothing invalidated. Scenario is still on track. But yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. As a channel member, you get access to the weekly live stream. Every Sunday, you get access to Discord and Telegram with a lot of educational content in the chat rooms. And as a gold member, you get access to additional short-term market updates. So yeah, hopefully to see you there. Hope to see you there. And if not, then please give it a like and subscribe. Thanks a lot. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.